G'day everyone, and in this video I'm going to be transforming this RC car into this RC car. Before we get started, please leave a like and subscribe. Alright, so what we're going to do now is take these headlights, these fake headlights off, so we can get this main roof off. Alright, okay, just going to twist. Now that these are removed, we can now remove the roof. And that is our fully stripped down crawler. Looks pretty awesome. Probably going to take it for a rip now or do something else. My plan now is to keep the suspension on here and then take it for a rip, see how it goes, and then after that we're going to knock out the suspension and then take it for a rip and see if it goes any faster or climbs differently. If you would like to purchase one of these, they are in the description below, and this is not a sponsored video, so it is an honest opinion. These here are also amazing RC cars. For their price, I got this for 10 Australian dollars, 10 or 15 Australian dollars. So it's linked down below. What I would change about this remote I don't like is it is a little bit small in my hands. So you have to hold it like this here. And it doesn't have ESCs. If you don't know what an ESC, it's an electronic speed controller. So basically, when I turn this on right now, and I'm going to go forward now, it's all or nothing. So it'll go full speed or it just won't do anything at all. What an ESC does is slowly releases it so it can go at different speeds. Let's take it for a rip now. That was the drop with suspension. Now let's go inside and take all the suspension off and then drive it around and then do a drop test with no suspension. We're going to need to take the wheels off, and that's going to take a while. I'm going to put it in time lapse so you guys don't have to watch in pain. Wheel to go until we got them all off, and then we'll be able to get the suspension off. Alright, they're all off now. That's the crawler without any wheels on it. Let's try and get to the suspension. The suspension thing's at the top off now. I'll put it in time lapse and then show you when they're all off. Alright, if any of you are wondering how to break the suspension into 2 bits, you push down, twist, then take it out. And that leaves you with only 1 bit there. That's what we're going to be doing for all of them. Alright, the suspension has been dropped. So you can even put it up to that high, but you're going to need to mount some stuff to it. or it drops down. So before it was sitting around here, now it's like dropped down to like here. And the front one can like just sit like that. And it's gonna sit like that when we're driving across like that. So let's try and get the wheels on now. Guys, I can't believe it. The car looks so much more dropped. Before it was like up to here. And then now it's just dropped straight down to this much. We have the wheels on now. And the suspension's dropped. Let's go take it for a rip. Because we have lowered the suspension, that means we have lowered the center of gravity. And when we do that, that means we can climb a lot more on a vertical angle. And let's test that. We're gonna get this to climb this. Alright, we have it right here. I'm gonna turn it on now. And hopefully we can manage to climb up it. Oh, flicked it on the wrong way. Alright, moment of truth. Ready, set, go. Alright, attempt 2. Alright, third time's a charm, guys. Third time's the charm. Ready, set. Let's go! Alright, we're gonna climb over the hose, which is extremely easy for it. Yep, we'll just go over it a couple times, see if anything happens. Oh, surprisingly, it just easily climbs straight over it. I don't think it'll make it through this long grass, but let's try. Well, it made it through. Now let's try something a bit more difficult. Let's try boggy sand. Oh, you can see the wheels are already getting dirty. This here is extremely boggy sand. Let's try and get through it. It's slowly making its way through, but no, it gets dug in. The sand's spinning up from it. I think we got it bogged. If I put it back on track, will it get bogged again? Yeah, it's just too easily getting bogged. Our second last test is the speed test. In conclusion, for dropped suspension, it's good for climbing, but not that good for drops and full driving. It gets bogged pretty easily, but with long suspension, or with actual suspension, it absorbs through the shocks. This one here just goes bang and could possibly damage a car. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.